Hello everyone, happy Saturday. So first off, we're going to address the elephant in the room, my eyebrows. They are so light. So basically, I went and got microblading done for the very first time and I love them. Like I actually have brows. Like I have no brow product in or anything right now, obviously. This is just like what she did. So now it looks like I have brows when I don't have makeup on, which is amazing. And that's what I was going for. And once they heal, I can actually add in a little bit of brow powder. So I wanted to go more natural. So that way, if I'm not wearing makeup, it looks good. Cause there's like also kind of like the ombre brows and like the more like shading ones that you can do that look more like makeup. But I knew that once those days that I'm not wearing makeup or if I don't have makeup on, I don't want it to look like I have like makeup brows on. So I figured I was like, this is way better. I can actually have brows when I don't have makeup on. And then when I do have my makeup, I can go in and fill them in to be how I want them to be for like a makeup day and then just wash them off. But now I actually have a layout that I can follow. So it'll allow me to do my brows so much quicker. So I'm really happy, but we are definitely in that awkward stage right now where they lighten up and they're kind of like flaky and stuff. And I still can't put powder on them for like another week. So this is where we're at right now. So bear with me with this video. But I'm really happy with the way they turned out. I'll have the girls' Instagram link down below where I went in San Diego. I loved her work. I saw her portfolio and I thought it was amazing. And she did such a great job. I go in for a touch up in April, but I'm really happy with the way that they're turning out. I love it, but they're definitely like light for me for like an everyday basis with makeup on. I like a little bit more of a darker brow. I feel like it frames my face a little bit better. But anyways, we had a crazy weekend. We have Ross's sister visiting us, which has been so much fun and amazing. And then we had Kinsley's big 4th birthday party yesterday. I went all out. It was her golden birthday. So I wanted to do something really special, especially because I've never done a birthday party for her. I did birthday parties for Riley growing up with family and bigger ones, and I never really did that for Kinsley. So I really wanted to do something special for her, and especially with it being her golden birthday. We went all out. It was so much fun. It was a lot of work, but it was so much fun. And to see her excitement throughout the day, it just made everything. It's like, this is why we do what we do. Today's video is going to be a PR unboxing. We're going to open up some boxes. We just recently picked these up from the UPS mailbox, so that way this stuff is very relatively new. So everything that I show will be linked down below for you. Give the video a thumbs up and let's get into it. All right, so first off, we have a package from Meet Your Skin Goals for Life. Alpha Beta Daily Peels. Wait, what's... Oh my God, I love these things. Okay, so this is from Dr. Dennis Gross. They sent over the #1 at-home peel. I've been using these exfoliating pads from like it's like M12 or something. I have a picture of it pop up. But I've been using those and I've been loving them. And I love these types of products. So I'm really excited to try some out from Dr. Dennis Gross. I love their products. You can get them, I believe they're at Ulta and Sephora. I don't know if they're still in those places, but in the past, I remember seeing them there. So 2 minutes to radiance, you have a quiz book, and it also shows you the proof from after using them. They sent over the universal to me. Okay, so basically the way that you use these is you do it in the morning or at night. First time peel users may apply every other day until skin becomes acclimated. Massage step 1 onto clean skin, dry skin until pad is dry. Wait 2 minutes, repeat with step 2, do not rinse. To further enhance results, follow with serum and moisturizer of your choice. And that's what you can keep doing until you can see results. So I love this. I'm so excited. They also sent over another little one right here. Thank you so much. I'm very excited to use those. I am so excited. This throws me back to my younger days because I remember my mom had this tanning oil from them and it smelled so good and it gave your skin the most beautiful glow. I'm so excited. It says, hi there, so excited for you to try Australian Gold's ultra nourishing sun care products. Whether you're headed on a much needed winter getaway or embracing a more outdoor lifestyle in 2025, sun protection is needed year round. We can't wait to see you incorporate these fan favorite products in your everyday routine. I am so excited. Okay, so we have a sunscreen cleanser, which is no fragrance, mineral SPF removers. It's a deep cleansing oil. So this is gonna help get the sunscreen off of you, which I have never seen before. And that is so smart because usually some of it is so thick. And then we also have the Aloe Vera Vitamin E After Sun Relief Ultra Hydrating. That looks amazing. Definitely going to be using that this summer. And then we've got the Rapid Tanning Intensifier. It's a tea tree oil aloe vera vitamin E. So you just apply this as needed, but this will help you get a tan. And then this looks really pretty. So we have an instant bronzer, non-greasy, antioxidant rich. It's a continuous spray sunscreen with shimmer. It's water resistant too. Oh, that's gonna be so pretty. It's gonna give you a really pretty glow, and it's also going to protect you. It has an SPF of 30 in it. I'm really excited about this. I love products like this to kind of add and like, because I self-tan, so it'll kind of like make my self-tan look a little bit more pretty and hydrated when we are going out for the summer and like pickleball or going to the beach or going on the boat or something like that. This will be amazing. So thank you so much. I cannot wait to use these. All right, so next up we have Origins, The Ultimate Love Story. Look at how cute this is. I love this. Oh my gosh, I haven't used Origins in so long. I used to use Origins in high school because my mom had Origins everything. Her and my dad's skincare routine, like all throughout high school and college, was Origins. And they sent over the perfect pair. I love this. This is so cute. It says resurfaces the look of skin with our apple cider vinegar and glycolic acid complex. It's vegan, 97% naturally derived, can't read, non-acnogenic, appropriate for all skin types, dermatology tested, and it delivers a plumper look and feel with squalane and apple seed oil. So look at how cute they said. Isn't that adorable? It's a little Valentine's Day gift. All right, so this is the Refining Apple Peel. Okay, so this must be like the season of having smooth, exfoliated skin, because I feel like this is what we're seeing a trend right now, and I am all for it. We also have these really cute, oh my gosh. Who remembers these little hearts? These little candy hearts. And then we have this Utopia. This is a peptide plumping apple cream. I really like the packaging. It's very different than anything I've seen from Origins, so I really love that, and I cannot wait to try it out. I will definitely be updating you guys on the skincare. I want to find a way to kind of better update. Maybe I should just do it as Instagram. I've been doing my empties over on Instagram, by the way. So when I run out of a product, I've been sharing it with you guys and then linking and then talking about it, so I can give like a thorough review. So make sure you're following me over on Instagram. It's Madison Miller. It's like really easy to find. Okay, so next up, we have a package from Kérastase. You guys know how much I love Kérastase. I'm so excited. It says damage reversal through hair layering. So they sent over one of their routines, which is definitely what I need right now, a care wash day. That's what I need to do tonight. It's my roots are looking a little oily and a little flat. So we need to definitely clean this hair. Okay, so they first sent over in this cute little bag right here that even has a little strap. That could be like a little side bag. They sent over 2 little minis, which would be perfect for travel. We have the decalcifying system reparative pre-shampoo treatments. And then we also have the decalcifying system reparative shampoo. So these are a great little duo to use when you're on the go. Then they also sent the shampoo and the conditioner in the same line for the full size, which I've had these before and I really like these. So I'm glad to have another backup. And they also sent over, oh, I used up this whole mask too. This mask was really good. This is the anti-breakage reparative filler mask for decalcifying system as well. I like to use this in replace of a conditioner sometimes just to give my hair like a treatment once a week. And then they also sent over the reparative pre-shampoo treatments in the full size. So I cannot wait. We're gonna use this tonight because my hair needs it really, really bad. And I just love the little bags that they sent them in. These are so cute. Thank you so much, Kérastase. Next up from Pixi, they sent over some of their satin lip tints. These look really, really pretty, you guys. Like a perfect spring and summer lip. Look at how gorgeous those are. You can also see a little bit more of the colors up here. I'm gonna grab Tint Fix, the soft color. Oh, that's really, oh, these feel so good. They feel like a little oil. Oh, that's so pretty. A good amount of opacity to them. Look at that. They're super opaque. That one's gorgeous. It's called Soft. The next one is called Heavenly. Oh, look at how pretty that one is. Add a really pretty lip liner with that, so you don't have like the concealer lips, but you could create so much. You could even take this one and put it in like the center of this one to create more of that pouty look. And then we have Love. These are really pretty. Here's Love. Oh, this is gorgeous too. I love this. Look at that one. You can lightly like dot this on your lips and it will give you that lip stain finish. And then we have Adore. Here is Adore. Again, like I said, you can like lightly press, just get the light tint to it, and then Calm. But that is such a gorgeous collection, you guys. Oh my goodness. I love this launch from Pixi. This is so pretty. I would say I would love, like these are like kind of like my 3 right here that I think I'm definitely going to be gravitating to the most. And they definitely dry down. It's like a little bit more of a matte finish. Oh, look at that. So pretty. I can see this being long wearing too. Okay, so next up, I got an email from a brand called Eyetamins, and these looked really, really neat, you guys. So I believe they gave me a code. So if you guys want to save any money off, I'll have it on the screen. I'm gonna go look for it, and I'll also have it down below. But it's called a blue blocker, and it supports eye health. They have all different kinds, and this one will help filter blue light, clinically backed, supports brain health and visual performance. So you take 2 of these per day. So definitely check out their website. It looks really, really interesting. I definitely want to try these out and see if maybe I notice difference. I could probably really tell once I get back into pickleball, because my problem with it's just so hard with pickleball. Like I always have to play where I have a backdrop and not like a bright, like busy backdrop, so that way I could track the ball better. I feel like my eyesight's getting even worse as I'm getting older. I already wear contacts. Yeah, so it will be interesting. I could probably really see if I could see a difference after using this for some time when I get back out on the courts and see if I notice a difference when I'm playing. All right, so next up, I have a package from 5 Scents, and they sent over the Life of the Party and In Too Deep. These are their Eau de Parfums, their perfumes, and I went online because they have a different range of, they have a variety of different ones, and I got to pick 2, so I wanted to look for ones that I knew that I would like really love. That's kind of like my scent, like my go-to scents. So this one, Life of the Party, is Blackcurrant and Midnight Jasmine. This is what it looks like. Oh, that one smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. I'm so glad I picked that one. It's got like a really fruity, it's like a perfect day scent. And then this In Too Deep one right here, I'm gonna spray it on the other side. This one has Tahitian vanilla with Australian sandalwood. Oh, I smell the vanilla there. This is also really, really nice too. You know what? These would be a good mix because with the vanilla with the fruity, I feel like these would mix really, really well together. I really like those. This is definitely scents that I would mix together because it gives me that fruitiness, but then also the vanilla is like a really soft scent too. So definitely check these out, you guys. The packaging is really pretty. Oh yes, together, they're so good. Okay, so we're gonna be sticking with perfume right now because we just got a package from Monde Gourmande here, and let's slide this baby out. And we have a nectar. You smell passionate. Oh, you guys know I love the fruity scents. A love letter sealed with passionate kiss. It's passion fruit, a wild strawberry, orange flower, sandalwood, cream, and sweet musk. Oh my God, this is gonna smell amazing. Okay, let's see. Love this. All right, we're just gonna be mixing a lot of smells here. I'm gonna spray it on this card. Oh my gosh. This is very different than any scent I own because it's like 100% fruity. Like this would be an amazing smell to have if you're going out to the beach, going out just like on a hot summer day. You smell just really fresh and fruity. Like it's that passion fruit. It smells so good. This is like a definite scent. Like I would not go for this one for a night out or a nighttime. I would go for this one like if I was heading out for like an active day in the sun. Like this is what I would wear. Oh, smells so good. So if you're a huge fruity girl, love the fruits and stuff like that, you will love that scent. Last but not least, we have a huge package from La Roche-Posay right here. It is ginormous. So on the top, we have a card here. A little peekaboo. Dear Madison, welcome to La Roche-Posay. We invite you to discover life-changing dermatological skincare. I cannot talk this morning. I'm sorry. I'm so tired. We hope, and then also we had the time change, which really threw us all off. We hope you enjoy these products we've carefully curated for you. So let's see here what we have. We've got like a bunch, you guys. I'm so excited. Hello, Madison. We hope you are well. Here are a few products to add to your self-care regimen. We've included the following products. So they gave me a whole list of products that they included, but I'll just grab them and go and show you guys. So we have the Broad Spectrum SPF 60. This is a fast absorbing velvety finish sunscreen right here. Super nice. Then we have the Vitamin C Serum. This is an anti-wrinkle concentrate renovating antioxidant soothing formula. So it also has salicylic acid in it, which is also great because I've been dealing with a little bit of breakouts like up here. And oh, we've got the Hyalu B5 Serum Anti-Wrinkle Concentrate, repairing and replumping pure hyaluronic acid. And then the Double Repair Face Moisturizer, prebiotic skincare, restores healthy looking skin. So right here we have the Thermal Spring Water, and this one is for sensitive skin, which is great. And we've got, ooh, this is really normal to oily skin. That's what I have. Purifying Foaming Cleanser. Oh, I gotta try this out. Soap-free, sulfate-free, fragrance-free, ceramide-free, and niacinamide. That will be a good face wash. I've been really like trying to do the whole double cleanse every single night, and I feel like that's honestly what's been helping my skin too. And then we have the Daily Repair Moisturizing Lotion. It's a lipid replenishing all-day hydration suitable for babies to adults. So you even use this on the kiddos as well. It's a prebiotic thermal water that has been used in Europe's leading center of thermal dermatology since 1905 to care for sensitive skin conditions. It has a unique mineral diversity and high content of selenium, an essential trace element naturally found in skin. So this is for normal to dry, sensitive skin in babies, children, and adults. And it's appropriate for your face or your body. So you can use this for both. So I love that. So thank you so much, La Roche-Posay. I am so excited to try out these products. I will definitely keep you guys updated. All right, so that is everything in this PR unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and seeing a bunch of new launches and maybe some new products that you've never seen before. Everything is linked down below. If I have a code to anything, it'll be right next to the link for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.